In this video, I have now started buying more Bitcoin at this current level. Well, I'm gonna tell you the reason why. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So let's now dive into this video. So diba sa previous video natin, what we were monitoring was this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, and what we have been saying is Bitcoin is still inside of a consolidation. And ano ba yung reason nun? It's because whenever na we are still inside this lower regression band, it's actually going to indicate that Bitcoin is not yet in a bull run. In fact, we have seen that in the previous market cycle. Now, whenever na we are in that consolidation, that can be misleading na ang dami nagsasabi na bull run na yun, when in fact, hindi pa talaga yung bull run. It's just a consolidation. And as you can see in the previous market cycle, meron tayong 490% in that consolidation alone. And sa current consolidation na nakita natin, we have actually seen around 324% na already na move. And this can actually be misleading kasi some people can actually say na this is a bull run kasi if you're going to look at this in non-log chart, ito hindi to log chart, you can see that this looks like an actual Bitcoin bull run wherein we saw Bitcoin had a massive pump. When in reality, if you're going to open the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, you can actually find na Bitcoin is still inside of a consolidation. So with that being said, ano na nga ba yung ginawa ko ngayon with the whole cryptocurrency market? So looking at this, at the historical data, whenever na we are at a very long consolidation, Bitcoin tends to have a massive pump within the next few years. Ganun din yung nangyari dito. Nagkaroon siya ng consolidation and then we saw a massive pump after roughly 2.5 years. Then dito kay Bitcoin currently, if you're going to open this move ni Bitcoin, we are now actually at 2 years time frame na nga, and right now we are also coming in almost around a 2.5 years. So right now, I'm expecting Bitcoin to somewhat consolidate dito one last final time. We might touch this regression band one last time, maybe around the $54,000. Then after natin matouch siya, then saka natin siya makikita na umakyat siya dito kay Bitcoin. So ano ba yung potential increase na pwede natin makuha dito kay Bitcoin? So if you're going to look at this, ayun o, pwede tayo umakyat around the, of course, number one, the $100,000. That's exactly what everyone is waiting out for. But if you're going to look at this, you can actually go up to the 200K area. And before this middle regression band, itong halfway point ng logarithmic growth curve, that has been the peak ng Bitcoin market cycle natin. So in this case, it's actually fair to say na the realistic area na pwede natin tingnan dito kay Bitcoin is also the similar halfway point, which is ranging around the 177,000 up until the 271,000. So around that area, yun yung potential area na pwede natin tingnan of a potential market cycle top. And yeah, take note, of course, this actually can, if let's say in the next few years or next few months, let's say nangyari is na break ni Bitcoin yung cycle dito, if let's say hindi natin nasunod yung Bitcoin logarithmic curve at lalo siya bumagsak, then of course, that's a bad thing then. Kahit pa paano, ang mahalaga dyan of course is we have to somewhat set a stop loss around the 50K or somewhat set a sell area around the 50K para if let's say na if ever na lalong bumagsak si Bitcoin, then kahit pa paano masecure natin yung mga capital natin. But in general, if this is a risk na we are going to take, and if you have an extra money na you can actually invest in the cryptocurrency market, then I actually think that this is actually a good long-term investment. Now, I don't think that this is going to happen overnight. I'm not expecting a massive pump na mangyari sa isang gabi or sa isang linggo. Rather, what I'm expecting is for this to happen within the next few months and roughly maybe next year siya. So, na-predict natin before yung market cycle bottom na around the $15,000. So, right now, our next prediction, our dubious speculation ngayon is around the 50,000. Yun yung possible lowest point na. And then after that, our first criteria dito, our first target dito would be around the 99,000 or $100,000. Then of course, our expected market cycle top would be around the $200,000. So, yeah, it's up to you if gusto niyo gawin itong investment na to. Pero personally, ako gagawin ko to. If matalo man, edi wala, matatalo. Ang mahalaga naman is maglagay tayo ng somewhat of a somewhat trigger around the 50,000, below the 50,000 US dollars. If let's say bumagsak siya below 50, then secure natin yung capital natin. But right now, looking at this data alone, I think that we are going to see a very big future dito kay Bitcoin with the next few months. So yeah, this video is about that analysis na gusto kong pag-usapan ngayon. And yeah, when it comes to the short-term analysis, may update ako guys. So starting next week, para mas maging structured yung mga videos natin at hindi tayo makamiss, every Monday, doon natin ipopost yung mga long-term Bitcoin analysis such as this one, itong pinapakita ko ngayon, para kahit paano, may weekly updates tayo kung ano ba yung progress ng crypto market in a bigger time frame. Then after nun, every Tuesday and Thursday, doon tayo magpo-post ng short-term price analysis or short-term price action para if ever na gusto natin mag-swing trade, then meron tayong pwede paglaruan. So, yeah, I'm going to post 2 types of analysis per week, and that is yun nga, yung long term and short term. So long term is every Monday and short term is every Tuesday and Thursday. And guys, if you wala pa account with Bitcoin and gusto nyo if wala pa account with Bybit and gusto nyo mag-start mag-trade kay Bitcoin, make sure to use our sign up link na you can find in the description down below kay Bybit. And if di pa kayo marunong mag-open ng trade kay Bybit, meron din tayong tutorial video on Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. It's available guys in the description down below if you want to learn how to start trading with the cryptocurrency market. Anyway, yun muna natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.